Hello, and welcome to this short standing English yoga practice. It's perfect for when you don't want to change or take out your mat, but you want to move. So place your feet at hip distance apart or a little wider. Inhale, reach your arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, release down. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Feel a stretch. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach your right arm up and bend to the left. Breathe here. Stretch the right side of your body. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Feeling a good stretch on the left side of your body. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, down. Put your hands on your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forwards. Bend your knees. Your head is heavy. If you want to release your hands down or hug your elbows, rock side to side. Release any tension in your spine. Whatever feels good for you. Release your arms. Inhale, slowly roll up. Bring your head up last. Have your feet at hip distance, or you can bring them together, your choice. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, baby back bend. Open up your chest, leaning back as much as you can. Exhale, release your hands down by your side. This time, step your feet wide, heels in one line. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forwards. You can keep your hands on your hips, place them down to the floor. If you want to, you can bend your knees. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend deeper. So listen to your body. Place your left hand in the center, under your shoulders. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Try to open and twist, reaching your hand up to the sky. Bring your hand down to the center. Switch sides. Inhale, reach your arm up. Twist here. Try to look up to the sky. Exhale, down back to center. And slowly, gently roll up. Bring your head up last. Turn your right toes so they're facing forwards. And reach forwards here into triangle pose. Lengthen your body. Breathe here. If you want to challenge, go for a bind. Reach your hand behind you. Place your hand on your lower back. And inhale, come up. And let's switch sides. Reach forwards, drop your hand down towards your shin. Right arm up to the sky. Look towards your hand. If you want to challenge, go for a bind. Inhale, come back into the center. Bring your feet to hip width or a little wider. Toes pointing away. Squat down. Bring your hands to your heart center. Lengthen your spine. If you need to wriggle, move about, that's okay. And just notice how you feel here. If you want to, you can place your left hand down. Reach your right arm up, or you can come to a bind and grab behind. Bring your hand back, down to opposite side. Inhale, reach up. If you want to bind, go for it. Try to gaze up to the sky. Bring your hand down. Inhale, slowly roll up, bringing your head up last. Relax here. Thank you so much for joining this English yoga practice. I appreciate it. If you want to make English yoga a habit, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn some English used in yoga, please check out this video right here. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you. See you. Bye.